Good afternoon, everyone. So, in this video, we'll just see the phylum Protozoa of BSc Zoology, Semester 1. So, phylum Protozoa, let us just know the basic things of phylum Protozoa. Phylum Protozoa, usually Protozoa, means primitive organisms. Proto means primitive, and zoa means the organism. So, this phylum Protozoa was first discovered by Anthony von Leeuwenhoek, and then later Gould first named these phylum Protozoa as the single-celled organisms. And phylum Protozoa, they are having protoplasmic level of organization, that means the cellular level of organization, where both cytoplasm and the nucleus are present in the cell itself. So it has the cellular level of organization. And then if we take the body symmetry, they have both bilateral or radial symmetry. They have both, depending upon the organisms, have bilateral symmetry or radial symmetry. And these are the organisms which are free living, and some of them are even parasitic too. Most of the organisms of this phylum are marine, and the locomotory organs in these organisms are flagella, cilia, and pseudopodia. Usually, the body of these organisms is covered with a shell or pellicle. The nutrition in these organisms are holozoic or holophytic, or saprozoic or parasitic. Holozoic nutrition is usually means the complete nutrition, where parasitic nutrition is where the organism lives inside other organisms for food, where it depends upon the other organism. Parasitic usually means the organism depends upon the other organism by living in the organism itself. So this is parasitic nutrition, that how an organism takes or feeds itself. So respiration is usually a simple process. Diffusion and excretion occurs by diffusion. I guess you know about the diffusion. Diffusion is a process where movement of molecules from higher concentration to the lower concentration. And reproduction occurs by asexual means, and in even the sexual methods. Asexual reproduction take place by binary fission, multiple fission, plasmotomy, or even the sporulation, budding. And sexual reproduction takes place by conjugation, syngamy. The life cycle is simple with alteration of generation. Alteration of generation usually refers that this type of generations occur when the organism having two morphology. That means if the organism exists in two forms, then alteration of generation is possible. And one of the example of alteration of generation is Elphidium. So this is about the general characters of phylum Protozoa.